everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dattatray. I have completed my post graduation in last year and was working as a financial analyst at private company. Now I'm thinking to continue this YouTube channel. I think in last 10 to 12 months I haven't posted anything on this channel, but now on I will be posting videos on weekly basis. So there are two main niches that I have decided to post videos on. The first one is economics and the second one is related to daily stuff that I do in a daily life, like blogging, writing, coding. How to do that stuff will be included in the second niche, and the first one is economics. So I will be explaining economic concept in the economics niche. So that's it for the day. I just wanted to let you know that I will be continuing this channel and will be posting weekly videos. So again, thank you for your support. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So thank you.